Hi, hey everybody. Today is July the 13th, 2019. It's Saturday, about 10:30 in the morning or so, 10:29. And here are the red dragons, but where are they at? Let's pan up and see. There they are. They are in Homer, Alaska, which is the halibut fishing capital of the world. So let's see if we can get them all. There we go. There they are. They're all just hanging out. They got kind of a nice view, and we'll get some of that in a minute, okay? But here's where they're at today. All right, so now the red dragons have come over here, and they decided to pose for you and show you the nice fireweed flowers back here and a mountain view off there in the distance with the Kachemak Bay behind. And that would be the Kachemak Bay State Park back there with all those mountains. But here they are. They're a little bit dark, but there we can see them. You can see them, they're just hanging out right here, just catching some good pretty views. All right, for the next place in this location, you can see the dragons just hanging out on a bench. They like to sit around a lot, don't they? They're kind of lazy. We don't know why. But here, get them up close. There they are. And you can see the nice flowers they have in the background back here. And this way a little bit. So, not a bad place to hang out with flowers. All right, let's see if they can find anything else. All right, so now the dragons decided this would be their last location. They kind of like this. And we'll show you why up closer. You can see there they're just hanging out. And look at the pretty flowers they found. Wow, look at all that color. Here, if we get them from the side there a little bit, look at that setting. So the dragons really, really, really like that. All right, we'll go to our next location. Hey YouTube, today's Saturday, July the 13th, 2019, about 11:38 in the morning. We are overlooking Homer, Alaska. We actually got here yesterday evening, and we did drive through town and go down the spit, and that's what you're looking at out there in the ocean. That's 4.5 miles, that piece of land there. Honestly, nothing that great. I didn't video anything. I didn't take any pictures. We walked along the beach a little bit. That wasn't too much. A lot of mud. But this is the overlook on Skyline Drive, okay? If you want to know where I'm at. This is the overview. And check it out. And it's smoky because of fires and cloudy and, you know, all of it's mixed together to not make anything great. But we do have fireweed right in front of us, right there. But anyway, that's Kachemak Bay, and that's Kachemak Bay State Park across there where those mountains are. You have all of those, and again, the spit out there that you can see. And I'll raise you up over these. I think those are horse flowers. And you can see the rest of Homer way down through there, and of course, Kachemak Bay that goes out, and Cook Inlet is on to the right, I believe, and all of that from what I've learned. But this is Homer, Alaska in a nutshell. So, hope you like this part. There ain't a whole lot more to show. Alright, hey YouTube. You see this church building here? You see that sign over there? It says Transfiguration of Our Lord Church. That's what that says. We came up here not the right way because of Google Maps. Out there is a parking lot where you can drive up here and park like, you know, normal people. But sadly, it took us into the village of Ninilchik, not sure how you pronounce it. And we made 2 attempts, and we finally ran into a guy who told us we had to come through here. I'm going to show you this path in a few minutes. So you're going to want to pay attention to this video if you ever come here. But this is in the Ninilchik or Ninilchik. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Ninilchik, I think it is. That's the building from out here in the front. And there you can get a glimpse of it from out here. It's extremely tiny inside. I will go give you a glimpse of it. Can't go all the way in unless you take your shoes off because he is vacuumed, but just want to look inside right there, if that's all right. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I'll go no further. All right, thank you. A little stairway and nothing up there, but see that. As you come out, there's the ocean over there. And there that is. Let's go look at the parking lot. The end's right here. So yeah, if you look way out through there, you'll see there's a road. Bet you can't come up here. But I don't know what road it is. It's supposed to come right off the main highway, 9, but you know, who knows where. But that's it from this angle. So I'll show you the path next, how we came, so how we go back. Okay, so just to get your bearings, you can see right here, we're in front of this church right here, right? See this white picket fence and this sign are right there. We walk through here. Now, it just rained before we got here. In fact, here, look on these leaves, you can see the water. It's soaking wet through here. My pants are soaked, my shoes are soaked. And you'll see why, because this is very thin. Walk through a lot of weeds and things, high grass and what have you. And this sign, the guy actually had to point it out to us. And then he told us that you could drive to this, but that it was another different road off the highway. So, see, you follow this little path, and see here it's even got little reflectors. But the guy that lives in that house right there, little gray log cabin there, he's going to point this out to us. And when I get down here, I'm going to show you. Whoa, a little slick. Again, down at the bottom of this, it tells you foot traffic only, no driving, and that there's no turnaround. See, here's some makeshift steps. You can see a couple of them here. But anyway, there is See, that's the road down there. Now there's this sign that used to say church. It still sort of kind of says it. You see there's no arrow that points right back up that path. See, because when we came up here, you walk up this road, and then this house right here, they tell you stop. Do not enter. Private property. Well, we never saw this. And from here, you don't really notice that little sign up back there that says church. This is the road. We walked up twice.
And you weren't allowed to walk.
Yeah, I already said that. And then, I'll show you another trick when we get down here. Alright, now we've probably walked a couple hundred yards or so. That's the end of the road right down there where you come up this thing, which again is right there. We've probably walked, I don't know, I'd say a couple hundred yards since I last showed you that last clip, okay? Now here, you'll notice you don't see any kind of signs, any pointers, anything at all. But we're going to cut through here. And you see somebody lives right there, somebody lives right there. So it appears that we are trespassing on somebody's yard, somebody's private property, but we're not. And I'll show you how I know that. We passed this up the first time. Look right here. This is the main road, okay, in town. Church path. And where does it point? It points where I just brought you through, right there.